Let's talk about the big story today. It's the weather alert. First, though, you're getting a live look at downtown Columbus. Sun trying to make a small appearance this afternoon. Trying to do the most. Do not let it fool you. Doppler 10 meteorologist Maddie Kirker seeing a lot of green on that radar.
Yeah, you know, we got that green moving in our direction later on today. But yeah, all we have out there is beautiful blue skies. So if you were just out and about walking your dog, you would think there's no way we're going to see more rain. The rain is done. But no, we do have more rain. It is yet to develop too. Let's get you out live right now. And it's the temperatures, it's the dew points, everything increasing as we go through this afternoon, and the wind that is going to aid in the development of thunderstorms later on today. And if you even look at this cloud right here, this friendly cumulus cloud, you can begin to watch it kind of building a little bit. That's exactly what we'll be watching out for as we press into the next couple of hours. With that said, here is your hour-by-hour forecast. We will have a small window, but a powerful window of seeing those thunderstorms develop and move through our area as high temperatures soar today to the upper 50s. Now, again, this is not something you see every day in the state of Ohio. So this should be giving you a little bit of a cause for concern because we are under an enhanced risk of seeing severe weather later this afternoon. And this includes our most populated locations such as Franklin County, Delaware County, and the city of Columbus. What do we have to watch out for later on today? It's primarily going to be damaging winds up to 60+ miles per hour that could blow over trees. So we'll really have to watch out for that. Large hail and even a possibility of an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. Also, the winds are really going to crank up. You can see by about 7 o'clock this evening, wind gusts upwards to 40+ miles per hour, and that's even outside of the thunderstorm threat. So it's going to be windy, and we're going to have those temperatures really dropping behind. Take a look at the numbers. We'll be in the 50s for this afternoon, dropping to the 20s by overnight tonight, almost dropping 30 degrees behind this system. Now, I went ahead and drew the cold front here on the map. That's where the actual storms are going to pop up. And again, we're not seeing them just yet, but they will be developing. So let's show you when they develop and when they're going to roll through your backyard. Hour by hour forecast, you can see we'll keep that sunshine around through about 4 o'clock. After that, fair game to watch these strong storms begin to move through from Kenton, Urbana, Washington Courthouse around 4. 5 o'clock, heads up for Marion, Delaware, Columbus, Circleville. That's when those storms roll through. 6 o'clock, Mount Vernon, Newark, Lancaster, Logan, MacArthur. And again, all along this initial line is where we'll have the possibility of those very strong, damaging wind gusts and even an isolated tornado. And notice, as quickly as it moves in, it moves out here pretty fast too. And by tomorrow morning, we're actually going to be talking about the possibility of some snowflakes. Yeah, so a lot to unpack here. Again, the window of opportunity for those storms primarily between 4 and about 7 o'clock this evening. So make sure you're weather aware. We could have severe weather today. We want to make sure that you and your family are safe. Make sure you do have that 10 TV app, and also tune in later on today as we'll be tracking those severe storms. So yes, storms in the forecast later today, couple of snowflakes as we go through tomorrow, and then our next rain and snow chance will be on Sunday. Of course, we'll be talking more about that coming up tomorrow.